I turned off the camera for a little bit and I just caught a fish. He's a squirmy little fellow, so let me get him out. Ooh, it's hooked. Oh, dang it. Sorry, buddy. I'm so sorry. Don't squirm. Get my pliers and then I'll get you back in the water. Oh, dang, I can't get him anywhere. Oh, I'm sorry. Sheesh. I don't know where to grab it because, oh, dude, what the heck? I got it everywhere. Let me get the one out of his mouth out first, and then I'll get the one out of his gill. Gosh, you don't want to mess with these little guys. Alright, there's that one. Gosh dang, these guys will hook you. Got him. Good job, bud. There he is. Little small fella. See how I release him. This one's gonna be squirming little fella, so he's gonna be excited to get back in. Yep. Can do a little splash. Alright, there's that one. Let's catch me another one. Oh, sheesh. I felt like this little crack. There we go, got him. Okay. Oh, I think my line's tangled. Sure is. Man, this topwater is amazing. Holy cow. He messed my rod all up. You don't want to mess with it. You get that hook in there, go hook and just cover it. So, happens. Just gotta keep it over. Another one, they come back to it in a little bit and they'll be biting all over this. You're going to get them Oakley's tomorrow. had a fray in my line. Freaking serious right now? Oh, just hit another one. Well, I guess I'll put it on another top water. See if I can't catch it. Let's see what I got now. Right, and that's the pond. It's huge. This one's huge. That other one was small as heck. Alright. Let's see. There's my frog. It's not very good. This one lost its tail. That's a deep diver. Crank, lipless crank. This one's top water. That one's top water. Those crankbaits. Guess that these are top water. Don't know which one to use. That one is also top water, but it's huge. Don't use that here. Let's see. I guess I will. Well, this frog still works. I just don't know how well. It's black, just like the other one. Black and yellow. I'm gonna try it. Try something new. I usually don't fish with this frog. I usually fish with my new one. Alright. Can't believe it broke me off. I'm so mad about that. I need to restring this rod anyways. It's running out of line. Serious? Should have checked for frays in my line. Saltwater fishing. Damn it. A lot of frays in my line from that. If this frog works, man, I know what bait to use. Sorry, the last time I said I gotta go because my mom wanted me back home to eat. I went to eat. And now I'm back. I eat very quickly. Whenever it comes to fishing, I gotta be out here. Alright. Shoot, I did this wrong. Serious? Ugh. I see all the little fish biting over there. Bait fish. They're so stupid. Whoops. Did I get that knot right? Oh, come on, I almost got it. Yes, I got it. It's like the fourth try that I got that. But this is a very old frog. I'll be surprised if it works. snap that line. I think later today I'm gonna see some of my friends when they're fishing, and we'll do a lot of pond hopping then. We'll do both of these ponds, then we'll do a couple more in the golf course. So, usually on the golf course we only catch perch because all the bass are too dead to catch or to bite. I only get perch at that pond, but I know there's bass because I've caught like 2. It's not amazing. Oh, geez. Baiting right now. I usually don't fish over this pond. I never really catch anything, but I just caught. Big more behind it. I thought that other one was one hand. My first bass that I caught over there, I thought it was one hand. There's like a 10-pound tackle in that story. Most of the fun that I had out here was never a caught was 20 bass in a row. It's raining. With my friends just hanging out. And I just picked up a cat. Oh! Another small one. Still a fish. Shush! Let's go. Where are the flyers? Oh, he's not a squirmy little fellow. This is good. Some good news. I'm not even gonna weigh this one. It's so small. Oh my gosh, this is really in there. The line's caught around his shoe. Okay. Man, I got him good. I got him really in there. shoot. Don't even know which hook is in there. Oh, yes, figured it out. Here we go. Well, small fish, but still fish. Thanks, bud. So kind. Gave me the little splash. Where the heck is this line tangled? What the frig? Wow. Wow, wow, wow. He bit me twice, and then I got him on the third time. Ouch. Blister? Well. If we didn't do some stupid things in a little kayak out here, I'd be out in my kayak. Thanks for watching. See you later.